Okay guys, now here's the install video of the passenger doors. So very easy to take the existing one out. 1, 2, 3, it's a 10 millimeter, it's a little 10 millimeter socket. So very simple to take it out, and then this just clips right here to unplug it. So I already sound deadened it. That's in another video I'm sure you guys saw in the playlist. So what you're gonna do, just simply take your speaker that you already mounted up. You can see that there's multiple tabs for here, so just find the tabs that allow you to see through each hole to be able to put that 10 millimeter in. The reason there's multiple tabs is because this is a universal Toyota mount. That's how this one's gonna go, like that. Now you can see right there why I said to feed it through. That way you can just plug right into your harness. And safe to tell you that both doors are the exact same. Now don't over tighten it because these stops for it, they are plastic, so do not over tighten it. And then the best part, since it's plug and play basically from Crutchfield, they supply you with everything. Go ahead and take this, take that, completely done. So I'm gonna take some extra sound deadening material and I'm gonna basically put my wires like this. I'm gonna put sound deadening material over it. That way that the wires do not shake and rattle. It's all right, it's okay, but it keeps it from wobbling. So if this video was helpful for you guys, very simple, 1, 2, 3, plug it in with supplied hardware. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, the whole playlist is in the description and in the iCard. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you later.